and welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to show you guys all the dinosaurs that we have the fossil and finding what is look like all the dinosaurs in Adopt Me New Egg Fossil Egg. So before I'm going to show you guys the pet, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like button to supporting my channel, and I love you guys so much, and so thank you guys. So let's get going right now, guys. So let me get going. So you guys can go like this, but I don't want to go like a teleport or something. So I am going to try to find it by myself. So because I think one of you guys will don't know that how to go there. Okay, so let me take something on. Oh, I only have pen. And this is my another account, so I don't have a lot of stuff. This is my sister account, yeah, because she doesn't get all the fossil bone yet, so I'm just gonna want to show you guys because my account has got all of them. We are going to take the last one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it means that I have to take 2 more, and we are going to see what all the animals get. It's gonna take some time, guys. Okay, guys, so actually, ta-da! Now we'll come, and wow, it's a dinosaur head! Let me play a hide and seek there, but let me hide. Let me sit and did anyone see me? Oh my god, this bone is so cool. And look at this, wow! And it said danger hard head on side. So you guys have to put a helmet out there, but I don't know where it's going to get me. Let me find. Wow, I wear a lot. Okay, so I don't have a helmet. Where am I going to put it? Aww. So I think I'm going to. Oh, let me. So I'm going to wear this. So let me take out this guy. Ta-da! Ta-da! Now done, we have the helmet, and let's get going here. So as you guys see, when you guys coming over here to the Adopt Me Island, and you guys will see the dinosaur head and also this bone, the big bone, and it said here, right, said danger hard head on side. And ta-da, this is a helicopter, and also, look, this is a dog. It's so adorable. Oh my god, and also it's a cat. Oh, they are the one we are going to the fossil island. Oh my god, I'm so thankful, dog and cat. It's pretty cute. They're cool. And then, I have a bandicoot, but it's okay. I just love it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we get into the there, and I'm going to show you guys something on here. It's going to be pretty cool, awesome, guys. So, ta-da! What's happening? I'm lagging. Okay, so I'm not lagging. Whoa! Look at this. Wait. It's a waterfall! Wow! And you guys see it's like a dinosaur face. It's like in the Adopt Me news, and also it's still a dinosaur head, but it's so big. Wow, I think this is a T-Rex head, maybe. Yeah, and I really think that T-Rex will be so handsome. I don't know if it's girl or boy, but I just think it is pretty cool. So let's get. I think today is the last one I'm gonna get this. We can get this. Ta-da! And also, I don't have the enough toy. I only have the T-Rex rattle. So maybe I have to find more. Okay, so let me take more and more. I can't do it. Yes, I got it. Okay, so let me find again. Okay, so the last time in this way. Oh my god. And as you guys see, when you guys come first here, and you guys will see that it has these, I don't know, what's this? Science? I don't know. But there has a bird too. The guy that really cringe and weird, but he's have a really big secret. And also, when you come, you see the Tom is planning about the fossil act. So when we find all, and only 2 days more, the fossil act will going to come into adopt me. So make sure that you guys buying the Aussie act quickly before the Aussie act is leaving game, guys. So wow, this is so you guys see, we didn't see all the dinosaurs yet. So let's see it. Okay, so let me talk to the Henry. Hi Henry. Okay, so she said a perfect speechman. Oh my god, let me just, okay, so let me just try to do some analysis on this. Say something. Yes, you uncover some ground slot DNA with a slot. The holocaust projection show what this used to look like before it was entered. Pretty. Oh my god, it's so adorable. It's common, but it's so adorable and it's so cute. With their hand, it's not look like the normal sloth, like in a Roblox sloth pet, right, guys? Because they're really not look the same. But let's get into another one. And guys, so my god, what is this pet? You found a Tasmanian tiger DNA? Wait, a tiger, Tasmanian tiger? Wait, I thought only the tiger, but this time a Tasmanian? Wait, oh my god, it's so adorable, oh my god, it's so cute. Look, it's just kind of like frog, but I don't know, it's come from the fossil act, but it's so cool on the fossil act. Wow, I'm so proud of it. Okay, I have more fossil. And we get the pet wear. No problem. And I'm thank you for the pet wear. Oh my god, it's so thank you. Okay, so we gotta toss it. I gotta toss. Let me show her more our fossil. Okay, so this time you uncover some treasure left off. What is that dinosaur? Is that a dinosaur? The horror projection show what this used to like before it was into. So it's the talk the same, but there's like, oh my god, I love this pet. This is my new dream pet. If it's going to be Mechanical, what is going to look like? I'm so exciting. Yeah. And also, oh my god, this one is Stegosaurus. Oh, this is so cool. And it's so awesome. It has something in the back, cool dinosaur. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I have more. Well, guys, this time is a global done DNA. Let me see, what is the pet like? Oh my god, this one is a leopardon. Wait, it might not actually have a toy like that. Oh my god, this is so good. Thanks so much, Henry. Oh my god, guys, let's see the next dinosaur. Wow, this time is a dinosaur. It's going to be, I'm sorry guys for the late time. Let me show you again. Not quick. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. So the next pet that I want to show you is the pet here. Wait guys, it's going to be coming up. Sorry. I'm so sorry for the late. Okay. Quickly. Come up right now. Come up. Oh, yes, it's this one. The Dilophosaurus. That is so cool. Okay, so let me find the top more. Well, this time is a rolling marmot. The name is awesome. Let me see what it look like. And guys, make sure you guys subscribe my channel and also thumbs up our video. And also guys, I am thank you guys so much, and if I have 100 subscriber, I am going to giving away a 4 egg for one of you guys. So make sure you click the subscribe button and like button on this video. And guys, I'm so thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. And also guys, make sure that you guys say something in the comment section down below. Yeah. Okay, so next pet. Oh my god, this time I'm pretty dirty. This is going to be more awesome. Oh my god, this is one of them that I know that you guys were going to love this dinosaur. It's so adorable, and it's also, I think that you guys know the tiger. There's the last one is the last time one is this. It's good one. I know that. I hope you guys know it because I think everyone is going to know it. Okay, so 4 left. Okay, so only 4 left. Oh my god, OMG, this time is the dear naughty choruses. I don't know if it's going to a dinosaur or a pet, just a pet. Oh, it's a dinosaur and it's a blue like a parrot. Oh, and this is ultra rare, but it's so adorable and I love it. It's going to be my dream pet, yeah. I think I have all the dream pets. I want all them because I think they are my dream pet now. Oh, and I don't think about first dragon anymore. Okay, so let's go to the next one. We only have 3 left. Okay. Okay. Wait, this time is a saber-tooth? I hope this is a dinosaur too, guys. What you guys thinking? Wait, it's not the dinosaur, but look the teeth. Oh my god. It's so cool. Let me get some money. Okay, get some money. Oh my god. Oh my god. So thank you, Henry, because of you. And also guys, when you complete the fossil, your guys will going to get the pet wear. Look. So the pet wear for that got is this one, and this one. So guys, let's go to the another one. Okay, so it's 2 left. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited for your legendary. Henry. Okay, so this time it's a Dodo legendary. I know that in the YT they're always put, and also guys, now we see the Dodo legendary. And oh my god guys, now we're going to the last one. It's going to be the T-Rexes. I want so I want to see him real bad. Look at this, this is only the last one. The last one ever. Henry! Come on, Henry. Oh my god, sorry guys. Oh, Henry. They tell me right now, Henry. I actually got the T-Rex. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see the faces, what it look like. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is what the T-Rex look like. There has a greeny and like an angry face, but it's so cool. Oh my god. And guys, also after I get this, oh my god. Wait, let me put my bandicoot. It's 1, 2, 3.